Alright guys, bags off the tables, listening up. I'm gonna do the roll now. Elizabeth?
Here.
Cody?
Here.
May we?
Sir, it's Māui.
Hi, may we? Order for Mayway?
It's Māui.
Man, I hate maths.
Honestly, I don't get what we needed, eh?
I don't know, bro. No, you're boy. I got you. Māui.
Yeah,
What does that name mean?
I don't really know. I never asked, really, so yeah. Hi there.
Hey, what's wrong, Moko?
My name.
Oh, I see. You know, your name is special. It's the legend of the demigod Māui.
Maui's brothers were heading out for a fish.
Come on, let's go fishing, mate.
Hey, Māui, you're not coming.
You're too little. Leave it to the real men.
What? No.
Go back to the whare.
Nah.
Get out.
While his brothers were sleeping, he snuck out. His plan was to sneak onto the waka.
Where's my pony? Hee ha! Hee ha! Hee ha! Hee ha! Hee ha! Hee ha! Hee.
Who was that? What the?
Māui.
The brothers were angry. It was when Maui's ancestor blessed him with her jawbone to use as a hook. Then Māui caught the Ika, which is the North Island.
Guys, over with this big fish.
God, Māui. It's an island.
What?
See, boy, your name was made with aroha. Be proud in who you are.
My name is Māui.